that helps me be more efficient when it comes to cleaning is a welcome blessing in my home. So I am really excited about this portable cleaning brush here. This is lightweight and so convenient. It is cordless and rechargeable. It actually has an extra long battery life of up to 2 hours of cleaning before I need to recharge it. It's got a little loop here, so you can just hang this from a hook. So this could just be stored like right next to your dishes. You could put this anywhere. It's really handy. You could use this in the kitchen, the bathroom, your bedroom, just wherever you need to clean. So this has some different head attachments. You've got this nice little firm brush here, and you just put that on like that. It has a power button right here, and it has 2 speeds. There's 1 and 2, so it has a faster and a slower speed. But either way, it's still a lot more efficient than having to do everything by hand. And then you've got this little part here where you can kind of Velcro on your sponge, and you can use this for your dishes. Very handy. Again, major time saver. And then you can also use this little scrubby here. And really, you could replace these with like scrubbies you could get at the grocery store. You probably just want to cut it like with a pair of scissors and make it round. So there you go with that. This is your charging cable. It uses a Type-C cable, which is the same as my phone, so that's super handy. And I love that it is fully waterproof.